What's up, everyone? In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to reset the Microsoft Authenticator app. Be sure to stay with us till the end so you fully understand how this can be done. We'll begin by opening the Microsoft Authenticator app. Then, at the top right corner, you'll notice 3 dots. Tap on them and select Settings. Now, scroll down until you find Account Sync. Under the Autofill settings, you'll see an option labeled Sync Account. Go ahead and tap it. Next, you'll want to tap on Stop Sync and Remove Autofill. Once that's done, head over to your phone's Settings. Inside Settings, look for Apps. Within the Apps section, locate Authenticator. Since it's a recently used app, it should appear near the top. Tap on it. Now navigate to Storage and Cache. Once you're there, we're going to do 2 things. First, tap on Clear Storage. A prompt will appear letting you know that it will erase the app's data, including settings, from the device. Go ahead and tap Delete. After that, also hit Clear Cache. Once this is complete, based on your preferences, you can either leave the app as is or uninstall it completely. Then, simply head to the Play Store and reinstall the Microsoft Authenticator app. That's how you can reset it. Let us know if this helped, and thanks for watching.